And we are live. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey. What's going on? What's going on? Please welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in the room. Come on in the room. This is going to be a fantabulous conversation today. Give me just a moment so I can chime in and invite my Facebook friends and make sure that you guys do the same thing for me, please. Invite your people, share it inside your lives. Inside your stories. All right, let's see. There we go. Okay. Now, can y'all hear me okay? Everybody, y'all can hear me okay? Prince, yeah. Go on.
That dog needs some insurance.
I
What's up,
apologize.
y'all?
Do we need to tag Coach and
My bad, everyone.
Hey
Okay,
team, we're
so
live.
We are
can
live.
everybody hear me okay? Everybody
Yep.
say hello.
Hello, hello,
Can y'all hear
hello.
me?
What's going
Hello.
on?
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, y'all. Hey, TT. Hey, Cedric. I see y'all as I can see y'all on the screen. So let me ask to my crew, am I freezing or anything or am I okay? Do I look all right?
You okay?
You
Because
look
y'all know
good.
Good
this
right
thing
now.
is
Good.
bugging out on us.
You're good.
I'm all right. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and let's just rock on out, man. Listen, I want to welcome everybody today to Legacy Jeopardy, man. This is where you're gonna get the wisdom that you need in order to help you make decisions to build, protect, and pass on your wealth. So I want to welcome our guests today. I want each person to share with you who they are, their names, because we are together officially the Titan Force chosen millionaires. So real quick, if we could just start with Viana. Say, go ahead and tell everybody. Just take 1 second. Say where you from. Your name, what state, and why you got into this business.
Hi, I am Vianis Jacques. I am in the state of Pennsylvania outside of Philadelphia. I am with CEO Life and Experior Financial Group. Very excited to be here. I have been an insurance agent for over 10 years now, and I got into this business because my husband and I wanted to educate people. We wanted people to have financial literacy and education, and that is what we provide.
Love it. And our next guest, will you go ahead and share with the world who you are, where you from, and why you got into life insurance?
Hey, good evening, everyone. My name is Vanessa
That
Benoit.
would be
I'm
Vanessa.
originally from, yep, that's me. So, like I was saying, my name is Vanessa Benoit. I'm originally from Queens, New York. I currently live in Melbourne, Florida, and I have been in the insurance industry for the last 4 years and became an owner of my agency as of the first year.
Awesome. Next up, we have Donna Jones. Woo-woo!
It is great to be here with my team Titans, our legacy group, and our CEO Life team is great. I've been in with CEO Life and Experior for a little over a year now. Prior to that, I was in the real estate, and I love helping families. I really drive to educate them on our financial literacy and keeping our families protected. And I'm excited to be here.
Awesome. Next up, go ahead and tell them the blonde bombshell who you are, where you from,
So,
and why
hi
you started
everybody.
this.
My name is Carla Powell. I have been in the industry for almost 2 years, and I'm with obviously CEO Life and Experior, And I joined this business not just to educate people, but to also help my family be, I would like my family to be just like most everybody who are entrepreneurs, to work for themselves and to gain legacy and wealth.
Love, love, love it. And who's that? Who's that in that all black over there? Talk to me. Talk to me. Was that Mr. Easy over there?
You know it. You know it. Good evening, everyone. Ezra Gervais, born and raised in Miami, Florida, financial services professional, been in the industry since 2018. And, got to represent Titan Force in the building. Glad to be here, servicing families for so many years. I love what I do. So let's get this rocking and rolling.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's get it. So I do see that we have some other Titan Force members that are in our waiting room, and I'm going to bring them up too. But it's like I gotta get some people out of here in order to get them up here. So I'm gonna just kind of leave it where it's at. But I will announce that we have August is inside the building. Usually he's right next to, to be honest. He doesn't need a separate screen, but it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. And then who else? We got Magic Marv in the building. Magic Marv. Let me see. Let me see. Let me let them. Let me let them at least come up and say hello. Hold on, y'all. Give me just a second here. Come on, Magic Marv. Magic Marv, you're on stage, baby. Let's go. Marvin, you there?
Muted.
Going on, what's going on? Represent for the 305. Team Titans in the building. Representing my team. Let's do it. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, guys. My dog is a very protected dog, and so if y'all hear him barking in the background, I apologize in advance. But yeah, he's just be. But thank you, Marvin, for sharing with us who you are, where you from, and why you started. Now I'm going to take Brother Marv out real quick, and we are going to bring in Mr. August to the stage. All right, August to the stage.
You're muted.
You're muted.
I'm telling you, that mute button is a killer. I'm telling you. But anyway, love to be here. I'll wait my turn. I'm just watching you. Excellent. Glad to be part of the team.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. And we also have Miss Benita. Let's bring Miss Benita to the stage. Say hello, 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 Miss Benita. Miss Benita, you on mute too?
Say hello.
It's all right. So what we gonna do, Miss Benita?
I
I'm gonna
can't
need
hear
you to
anything.
go be a part. It's okay. I'm gonna need you to go be a part of our studio audience. If you can't hear me, that's so fine. Just go be a part of our studio audience, and you can still answer questions. Let me go ahead and bring back our bombshell, Miss Carla P. And I think I have my main reps up here for the moment. All right, y'all ready to get started? Let's get amped up. All right. This is gonna be so much fun, guys. You guys are gonna learn so much from this live. Okay. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. We're gonna have a lot of fun, but at the same time, we're gonna expose some financial knowledge that most families never get to talk about. Okay, or that you or either most families were never taught. All right. So our main focus is going to be three categories. All right. The three categories are legacy legends, policy powers, and wealth strategies. So these three things are going to educate you guys very well on these three topics tonight so that you can have some clarity. And by the end of this call, you'll possibly be able to make a decision as to what it is that you want to do with the wealth that you have and how you want to build generational wealth if you don't have any in place already. All right. So and that's it. So let's go ahead and get right on into this. Make sure y'all type legacy in the chat for me, guys. If you guys are enjoying it so far, I mean, you guys amped up. Just type the word legacy in the chat if you're ready to learn something new about how to build something new, something that actually outlives you, man. Put legacy in the chat. I'm looking. Hi, Angelo McCutcheon. I see you. Put legacy in the chat. Hey, Heather, I see you. All right, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. So stay in our studio audience and answer some things. All right. So, if anything, I'm gonna say this really early before I get into the game. If anything clicks with you tonight that any of the representatives say, and you feel led to a particular representative, I want you to reach out to that particular that they can assist you with getting an expert financial analysis. I just want to say this early on because I'm not doing this game just for it to be a game. It's not a game. The only game I want to play is the one where you, as Mr. Ezra would say, sign here and go ahead and get yourself set up something really good for you and your family and build generational wealth. So let's go ahead and get into round one. All right. This American family used life insurance to create a family bank that still funds their dividends. That one. Be honest.
Okay. Oh, I have the honor of answering the first question. Who are the Rockefellers?
Well, I know you got something that you got to take care of.
Yes, the Rockefellers. So they use life insurance. I'm just going to elaborate a little bit and trust to create generational systems that produce wealth, not just pass it down. So they didn't just leave an inheritance, they left a legacy for generations.
Yay.
All right. All right. So our next question is, which family was it that which family was it that had wealth but couldn't keep it? Donna, y'all can put the answers in the chat over to the right. Let me show y'all answers here. Donna, can you hear me?
Are you muted?
Yes. Who are the Vanderbilts? Sorry about that.
Donna, can you
hear me now? They had wealth, but no system of
planning. And do you want to go ahead and...
Yeah, they had wealth, but they didn't have any systems or planning. So the showing that income alone just did not sustain their legacy.
Absolutely. That is absolutely correct. Did anybody else want to elaborate on the first two people that we talked about, or the first two families, before we move into the next question, so we can make sure that we educate our audience? No? All right. So let's move. Let's move right on along. Okay. So I use my life insurance to help fund Disney. Who am I?
I'll answer that. Walt Disney.
You guys can answer. I don't have to just answer.
Oh, I thought you were
Ezra,
calling on people. I thought you were calling people. That's why.
That's pretty good. We can just say, I'll answer that.
it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Walt. Who is Walt Disney?
Okay. Did y'all hear?
Yes.
Did
When
you?
the
All
bank
right.
said
Thank you.
no to Disney.
All right. And can you
Okay.
go ahead? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Break it down,
Yeah,
Vanessa. You want to share?
who
Let's
is
go
Walt
deeper.
Disney?
It's
He
okay.
used
That's
his
what we
whole
here
life.
for.
There's a delay. That's why.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, he used his whole his cash value life insurance policy to as seed money towards his business and his dream to build Disney World.
Amazing. All right. The point on that is that Walt Disney, he didn't wait, right? Y'all, he leveraged what he already had, right? Which was a cash value. Okay. So let's go into our next question. I use life insurance to protect my family and support my movement. I have a dream.
Who is Martin Luther King Jr.? He had life insurance coverage in place, so he protected his family, and not because he expected the tragedy that happened to him, but he did that because he understood risk, right? And so his work was dangerous, as we know. He was very visible, and as we know, also he was very respected. So the answer is Martin Luther King Jr.
I love it. I love it. Yes, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. All right, y'all. We got another one here. I use cash value to keep my business alive. I'm sorry, I'm missing a main word. My chicken business alive. Who am I?
This will be my last one because I'm gonna jump off after this. But who is Colonel Sanders? And the beautiful, yes,
Yes.
the beautiful part about Colonel Sanders' story is that you're never too old to become an entrepreneur, because if I recall, he was over 50. I don't remember how old he was, but he was no young chicken when he started Kentucky Fried Chicken, which is now KFC. He uses policies cash value during challenging times. So he was able to tap into the living benefits of his policy.
Yes. Excellent.
Love,
All right. Good luck.
love,
Good
love,
luck,
love. Anybody
teammates.
else
Good
want to
luck.
expand on that?
All right.
We have a delay.
Are you expanding on that, or Ezra?
Yes, I did. I did already. I did. You're delayed a little bit.
No problem. No problem. It's all right. No problem. Let's go into our next person. I built wealth through ownership and structure. Who am I? I use money to become famous, and I use life insurance to build wealth. Who am I? I have a TV show.
Oh, I'm doing.
I'll give you a hint. ONW is the name of my network that I used money for to help fund.
OMW.
Who is Oprah Winfrey?
Oprah Winfrey Network.
Okay.
Is that what it is? The own channel?
Okay.
Okay. The next one was I built I built systems, I built cities, and I built infrastructures using life insurance. Who did that? And I'm a hip hop artist. Who did that?
Okay.
I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint. He's building all of these things in Africa. He's the one who gave lights to Africa. He put lights in Africa. Oh my God,
We
y'all.
got
Mhm.
we have some in the comments helping us out right now.
Yes.
Let me see what my
Okay.
studio audience saying. I don't even
He
want
Yes.
to talk
was,
to you.
he
Where
was
my
Akon. I don't know if you heard me.
Yeah,
Can you hear
Akon.
me?
think
I
he
guess
is
it's
on
There
mic.
you
Akon.
go. There we go, Heather. There we go, Heather. Heather gave the answer. Who is Akon? Yes. Let's take a look some more.
Is
So we
Heather
had,
is Heather
You
still in the
can,
audience? Need to bring somebody else in.
yes, you can bring Heather
yeah,
Yeah,
in.
she
bring her
is.
up. Bring her up.
I can step out, Takiyah, and
Well, be
you can
honest,
bring.
already went
Okay,
out. So
Oh, well, she can
it's
bring two
it's
people in if
fine.
she'd like.
Who we wanna pull in? Who wanna? No. I need Heather to stay in my studio audience so she can answer questions. And then
there's all
I
this.
bring her in, and I need Christina.
Yeah, you
All
can
right,
take
come
me
on,
out.
y'all. Let's go. Stay on point. Stay on track. Stay on point. All right, y'all. So that was round one. That was really giving you guys the breakdown. The legacy of people who use life insurance, cash value, and things like that to actually fund education, to do so many different things. Fund education, to build generational wealth, to for mortgage protection. As you can see, they use it to build their businesses, and we're gonna go in a lot more because now we're gonna start to get into the terminology. The beginning part was just to kind of test the waters of what my agents knew, right? But now when we get into this part, oh, trust me, they know everything. So I'm not worried about this next part as we get into round two. So let's go ahead and get into round two. So for round two, hold on, y'all.
I'll take
All right,
that.
round two, we are talking about policy power. Okay, so policy power it's important for you to know policy power in order for you to make a decision as to what policy or wealth plan would be the best thing for you. Okay, so let's start with this. I am low cost, I'm high coverage, and I'm temporary. Who am I? What am I?
You are term life insurance. So term life
Oh,
insurance,
yes, yes, yes.
you can have the depending on
Yes,
which
okay, go
carrier
ahead.
you're getting this term life policy from, you can either do 10, 15, 20, or 25 years, as well as 30 years. Now, again, the question, right, was that you're a low cost policy that expires after a set period, which means, everyone, that if you choose to get a term life policy for whatever reason, whatever your why is, just know that if you outlive your term policy, then you would have to start all over again. And by that time, you'd be 10 years older, 15 years older, 25 years older, and 30 years older, which means that would eventually become more expensive. So always, always know your why.
Awesome. All right, let's move on to the next question. Guys. We gotta speed it up. We on round two. We got one more round to go, but we also got a business opportunity call at 7 o'clock. So we gotta get in here and get on out. All right, the next one is I protect you for your entire life. I build generational cash value. My premiums never change. And I'm the foundation of many wealthy family plans. What am I? Woo-hoo! That's for
Your
my
Hold
whole
on.
life.
studio audience is going in. I
Go ahead,
see
August.
y'all over
Go ahead,
there.
August. Go ahead.
Yes.
I think
Come
it's
on now. Come on.
whole
That's what
life.
I'm talking about. Yes. All right, now go ahead and break that down. Just break that down for our audience. Explain it a little bit deeper, more about whole life. And Vanessa, you could feel free to chime in too, okay?
Just in case
It
if you
bu-
need my help or anything.
it builds cash value, and it lasts a lifetime. My mouth
So,
is delayed, so I am talking slow.
It's all good. Don't worry. It's all good. My mouth probably moving slow too, man. Welcome to the world of
And you
technology.
could
It is. It
borrow.
is.
Okay, let me
Hi,
talk about.
Vanessa, do you want to
You
elaborate for us?
hold it. I mean,
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go
let
ahead.
August finish.
you're cutting me off already. Fine, I'm gonna talk
Yeah, go
back.
ahead, August.
You have the ability to borrow from it. You could take out a loan. You could pay your policy premium. You could take out a loan to pay for your dog's medication. You can take out a loan to go on vacation, and you don't have to pay it back unless you don't want to, or you could take out from the cash value of the policy. But this is the way to earn money by paying your premium. So
This
I
is how
said a
you
lot, and my mouth is tired.
All right. Well, I'd like to elaborate on that if you don't mind. So, as opposed to the last question with term life, that was just for a period of time. What August was attempting to try to tell us without being lagged. My favorite part about this policy is that it expires within 100 years or when you expire. So again, always
Hold it.
remember
Really?
what your why is. Yes, sir.
I like
You
that.
mean it? You mean it lasts a lifetime?
Yes, it does. Yes, sir.
Literally.
What?
Literally.
121 years old? I just learned something new. I thought it
Go
was
ahead.
just 100.
Most people don't live past 100, so we get it. All right,
August
let's
is not
move
most
right on
people.
along to our. It's all right. Wait, were you done? Were you done, Vanessa?
Absolutely. My giggling, I can't talk right now.
Yeah.
Y'all got to y'all got to tighten
Okay.
up. All right, let's go ahead into our next question. So, question 3. I'm oh man, TT's supposed to be on here for this one, but I don't know. I don't know if y'all remember because this was TT's question. I'm gonna come back to it. TT, hop in because I need you to answer. I
Because
need
if
you to
not, I
answer this
could do it
particular one.
too. If not, I got it.
All right, you know which one I'm talking about, right? No. Let TT do it because
I
she
have
no.
no idea
Let
what you're
TT do it.
talking about. I don't see the
It's all
questions
right.
you have in
It's
front
all,
of you. I'm just taking a
it's all
chance. I'm
right.
just going.
No.
Don't worry,
Don't do it.
we
That's
got
TT.
your back. We
Vanessa
got your
got it.
back.
She's
Yeah.
got it.
Take a chance.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Just do it. Vanessa's got it.
Oh,
That's like from Coming to
Miss
America. She said, "Take a chance. Go for it, honey. Take a chance."
Take a chance, man.
y'all is too funny. All right, so let's move on to the next question. I let your money grow with the markets upside, but I protect you from the downside. I'm flexible, powerful, and used by wealthy families to build tax-free retirement income. What am I?
Okay, I'm gonna set it up for Vanessa. It has 3 letters.
Oh Lord.
I U
What
L.
is an IUL?
It's an
Right.
IUL. Another
IUL.
word
What
for
is
it
an
is
IUL?
Index
It is
Universal Life.
Yes.
it,
Go ahead,
that's
Vanessa. Tell them.
Index
Unpack that,
Universal
Vanessa.
Life
Unpack that.
Policy. It's an Index Universal Life Policy, which is also a whole life policy. I like to say it's a whole life policy on steroids. Okay, so with that, what that means is that the insurance carriers, they got a contract with the index, the market, so that they would be able to pay out all these death benefits, right? So I just a quick example on this one. Imagine you have 100 people who get $100,000 policies each, right? Are you with me? And all their premiums, which are their monthly payments, are $100 each. And all 100 people die 4 months later. That means the insurance companies only received $400 from all these 400 people. How are they going to pay this out? So they decided, you know what? Let's establish this contract with the index so that there's no risk whatsoever for the person who's looking to cover themselves to protect their family or whatever their why is. So, why should we or you get penalized or for something that they added to and created for you? So, there's zero risk, which means not only when you pass away, you will get the death benefit, but whatever is in your cash value from the IUL policy, your family gets that as well, tax free.
All right, that's what I'm
Is,
I mean, I
talking
could
about.
go on, but then it'll be a longer show.
There
is
you
that
go.
legal? Is that legal?
We don't got that much time, but let's take a look. So we got TT. That's when I questioned. You need to get over here, TT. Where are you? Because you said you talking on this thing and you got questions to answer over here. Where are you? All right. So all right. Let's go into our next question. So
Okay,
this
nice.
one, I'm small, but I'm mighty. I'm designed to cover funeral costs, medical bills, and end of life expenses. I'm easy to qualify for, and I'm permanent. What am I?
I got that.
Okay,
It
okay.
is a final expense.
Yes. So go ahead and
So
break it down a little more for us,
yes,
Genesis.
so
Go
a final
ahead.
expense policy is a policy that allows individuals that two reasons. Number one, they may not qualify for a traditional life insurance policy like a term or whole life or IUL, but it's a type of whole life policy that is more lenient when it comes to your health. So someone that has pre-existing health conditions can easily qualify for it because it's not as strenuous. Also, it also has cash value in it as well if you need to borrow money from it. So it typically is 25,000, maybe $50,000 policy that takes care of your funeral expenses and any other last minute arrangements that needs to be taken care of when that family member passes away. Boom.
All right. All right. Anybody else want to elaborate on that? Y'all good? I think Ezra stemmed it up. Yeah.
Nah, we're
Let's
good.
go. Let's go.
He
Let's
did
go.
he did a great job, my Haitian brother.
All right.
There you go.
Oh, so we have two
Ezra.
Haitians. How many Haitians do we have on the panel?
Oh,
Sac
Sac
passé.
Hey,
Sac
listen.
passé.
Hey,
Y'all
Napoli.
funny. All right. Let's go into our next question. Now, this one is very similar to one of the other ones, but it's not the same. So this one is I'm flexible. I let you adjust keywords. I let you adjust your premiums and coverage. And I grow based on interest rates. I'm not as popular as I used to be, but I still have my place. What am I?
hmm.
I'm gonna tell y'all that one. That one is a traditional UL. So that was before the IUL came.
But
You
I
know,
I
it
was
was
know
just
over
a
here trying to get your attention.
I was like, I couldn't find my mouse. I kept moving my mouse to unmute me. I'm like, pick me, but you got it. You already said it, so you're good.
oh my God, just speak, y'all. Y'all could just speak. Just speak. Do you want to elaborate on that, Vanessa? The traditional UL? Or you okay?
Why don't we let August or Ezra elaborate on that one?
Yes,
Okay.
that was the original policy that started back then.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my God. I'm taking August is coming off the panel. We're easy.
Well,
Wait.
Oh.
I will
Once
say
you
that
let them
all,
loose, you can't bring
Hold
them.
it. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Do you want me to
I
elaborate?
I'm learning easy. I'm learning.
I will say that as opposed to the index universal life where you can get from 6 to 9 to 12 or maybe even up uncapped percentages, with a UL, it's usually about like 2 to 3%, maybe 4. So that's really the difference, which is why it's the old one.
That was before
That's
my
right.
time. That was before my time.
All right. All right. So let's go into our next one. All right. I let you use your life insurance while you're still alive. Keyword.
Oh,
I
I know that one.
let
I
you
know
use
that one.
your
I
life
know that one.
insurance while
Living
you're still
benefits.
alive.
I know
Living
that.
benefits.
Okay. This is called living benefits.
Living
Let me finish. So that the
and
One at a
audience who don't
time.
know the answer could get the full
okay.
question. Oh my Jesus.
Oh my Jesus. We need him here.
See, this what happens when you have a room full of leaders and everybody knows the answer. It's like,
And that
all
are
right,
passionate about it.
And competitive.
yes, very passionate about this. Very
I pressed the buzzer. I pressed the buzzer first.
Oh my God. Okay,
It's
so
okay,
August.
August. We're all on the same team. It's okay. We all
Okay.
Yes,
No,
August.
no,
Go ahead,
I need
August.
to.
You,
I need
you
to
know
read.
Even
what?
though we on
Yeah.
the same team, I'd like to know if there's gonna be a winner after this.
Listen, I need to redeem
Yeah.
myself. I need
Team
to
fight.
redeem myself. Listen, that type of policy is called living benefits. And living benefits means that it'll help you when you have a critical illness. Because some people don't realize that a life insurance policy is not just for when you die. And that is why people must know that if you have a critical illness, you could tap into the policy and use it while you're still alive. That is the stigma that people have. Oh my God, no, it's only when I'm dead. Wrong. You have living benefits when you have critical illness, and it will help you survive. It's like Aflac. People know about Aflac. So this policy is there for you while you're alive. And that is why we are here to educate you to say that you can tap into the cash value and pay for when you are sick. It's not just for when you die. So you see, I could really talk. I mean, I could defend myself.
And I'd like to add to that. So he mentioned critical
Yes,
illness, but it does also come with chronic illness for something like rheumatoid arthritis. When he
See,
meant critical illness, we're thinking heart attack or stroke. And then it also comes with chronic terminal. That's it, terminal.
terminal.
And
Now,
terminal illness, which is self-explanatory. And then you can also add a fourth one, which is an accidental death as well.
you see how I set that up for her? That's why we a team.
Takiyah, I have to get off soon. Can you bring somebody else on?
Well, are you
it's
ready to boot me
okay.
off already?
Moving right
No,
along,
I'm ready
guys.
to,
Moving
I have
right
to come
along.
off, Takiyah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You can
Somebody has something else to say?
bring in somebody else.
Okay. Did you
Well,
wait a minute,
Takiyah is
Carla, before you
in the
leave?
audience.
Is Takira in the audience?
Wait a minute.
Yes,
Hold on.
She just
she
on
said
Facebook.
I didn't know.
Carla, before you go, Carla, you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
answer the next one. Since you gotta go, you gotta answer the next question. All
I
right.
tried all
So
along.
I am
couldn't.
the money that grows.
Say again?
Are y'all listening?
I'm trying, yes.
You're lagging.
Okay. I am the money that grows inside your policy. I grow tax free. I can be borrowed and I can be used for retirement. I could be used for business. I could be used for emergencies. What am I called? What is my name?
Is she froze? No.
Are you muted, Carla?
August kind of just said it.
Say again? I'm so sorry. I didn't even know you finished asking the question. You were lagging over here.
Oh yeah. That
Oh,
that was it. Oh, it's lagging. Okay, it's no
yeah.
problem. But yeah, that's the question. Go ahead. You want me to re-ask the question again?
Yeah, because I didn't hear the question.
All right. So I'm the
Right.
money that grows inside your policy. I grow tax free. I can be borrowed and I can be used for retirement, for business, or emergencies. What am I?
Cash value. It
All
acts
right.
like
Now
a
go ahead and
financial
break that
reserve.
cash value for us.
Yes,
Thank
it's
you,
a cash
TT.
value in the
Go
policy.
ahead and break down. Is TT? Y'all said TT was in the waiting room. Didn't y'all tell me that? Somebody told me that. I don't know. I'm multitasking over here. Okay. Yeah, cash value. Who wants to elaborate on that? Go ahead. Somebody elaborate on that for me.
It acts as a financial reserve you can borrow from or use strategically for anything that you need while you're alive. You want to pull some money out. Um, you can do that with the cash value that you have in your policy.
Good, Carla.
Awesome. All right. Okay, go ahead, Carla. I know you gotta
Hi, everybody.
take a little break.
It was
Say
fun.
goodbye to
That's all
the,
right.
the podcast.
We'll see you later on this evening, Carla. Go ahead. All right. So let me go ahead and bring Magic Marv to our audience. Where's Marvin at? Let me see.
Just so you know, Takiyah is also in the audience. She didn't realize. She said she has your
I think
back
she's
from the
just in
audience.
Facebook though. I don't think she's in this stream.
No, yeah, she's in our studio. She's in our studio audience. Prince.
Well,
She's
I
in
don't
our
mind taking
yeah,
this.
she's in our
I don't mind taking a step back and let her in. I think I did my job and I want my paycheck.
yeah, well, because Carla left, TT can come in. She just needs to tap on the link so that she's in the back room with us. Like she needs to be in the
I can step
VIP.
out
How
too
you call
and
it?
let
The VIP.
Heather or Marvin come in because I got to get ready for the
But
meeting.
Marvin is not here.
Did he
Oh
leave?
wait, Marvin is in our studio audience. Marvin, you could come over. You could come over.
All right,
Marvin,
I got
I
to
think
get ready
Marvin
for
was
the
in our
video.
studio audience.
I mean, my agent.
Heather is saying, I'm backstage. I'm backstage.
Yes,
Okay,
listen.
I'm going to leave and bring Heather in.
Yes, I'm going to leave as well because my agent says if I stay on, you have to pay me more.
All right. Go ahead. And go ahead, consider you could come back and put your place back inside the backstage. Come backstage. Who else is backstage now? Marvin, you can return backstage. All right, so let's go ahead and complete the rest of the questions. So, I am the strategy that wealthy families use to borrow from themselves instead of banks. The Rockefellers used me to build generational wealth. What concept am I?
You are infinite banking.
The family what? Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for. Infinite banking. Yes. Now go ahead and elaborate on that for us, Easy.
I mean, basically, it's utilizing the cash value that's been growing and compounding to leverage it because of the low loan rate for any endeavors that you have. Most people use it to purchase other assets to grow their money. So that way now you're able to get a return on that money, put the money back in, allow it to compound more, and then rinse repeat. So it's a great way to not have to depend on the bank that will give you or loan you money at a higher interest rate. You're able to control it at a lower rate and get more bang for your buck.
Love it. So TT, I know you're in our studio audience, but what I would like for you to explain to them is the option through Augustar, which is the IWL, because most people know about IULs, but they don't know a lot about the IWL. So TT, I actually wanted you to explain that to our studio audience. So if you can either put it in the chat what the benefits are, or well, actually, I'll say it, but I really wanted you to come in and break that down. So the IWL is I'm the one who gives you a whole life guarantee with the index link goal. I protect you from losses. I give you upside potential. I can be fully paid up in 10 or 20 years. I am the hybrid that the wealthy love, but most people never hear about. What am I? And that would have been the IWL, the index whole life. Did TT come in the back, break that down for us? Oh, she said she can't. Okay, cool. No problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, so let's move on into our next one. Our next one is, and then we got one more, and then we go into our final round. Actually, we in our final round, y'all. We already in round 3. I didn't even pay attention. We already in round 3. Okay, so I am the one who protects a business when a key employee or owner passes away. I keep the company stable, protect revenue, and buy time to rebuild. I am the safety net for entrepreneurs. What am I?
What is key person insurance?
Now,
Yes, yes, yes. Now go ahead and elaborate on that for me.
Well, it provides the support to maintain a business if someone, to keep the business operating in case someone who's very important to it is no longer with us. So they still have the financial support to keep the business going.
right. So usually for like with key persons insurance, it's
I
like,
love it. I love it.
that
Vanessa,
secretary that you had for like 20 years who knows all your passwords. She has everything that you have. All you have to do is just go to the airport. She booked everything. She took care of all your personal stuff. And now she passes away or she's very sick in the hospital. What are you going to do? How are you going to log on to her computer? How are you going to, it keeps the company sustainable. So
I
basically,
love
key
it. All
person's
right, come
insurance,
on,
I
man.
would
You
say,
guys,
is for someone important.
Yes.
How did she put me in? I can't
beautiful.
talk to anybody. I can't hear
Ezra, did
anything.
you wanna add to that, Azzy?
No, no, I was just agreeing with what Vanessa was saying.
Benita, we hear you and I see you as well.
Yes, we can hear you, Benita.
And I see you too.
We see you too.
I don't think she hears us though. Do you hear us, Benita?
I don't think so. No. So let me just move her because I think she can hear us, but we can't. No, she said she couldn't hear us before. Remember? I think that's what it was. All right, so let's move right on along, y'all, because we got literally 5 minutes to wrap this up, and then we gotta head over to our BTO. All right, so I'm gonna get back to it. All right, so we did infinite banking. Um, this one's easy. I allow tax-free income in retirement. What am I? Because literally the answer is right in the question.
What
You
is
allow
tax free
tax.
retirement?
Mm-hmm.
Thank
I was just
you.
saying that.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. I fund business. Now this is the third part, y'all, because remember we had 3 sections, right? The first was the legacy of it. The second one was getting to understanding the
Policy
terms.
power.
And this,
Mm.
yes, now this part we're at actual wealth strategies. Okay. So let's continue. All right. So I fund business transitions. Who am I? I fund business transitions.
I'm guessing that would be Keyman Insurance or buy sell
No, no.
agreement.
There we go.
Yes,
There
Yeah.
we go.
yes,
I was about
yes,
would you
yes,
cancel that?
yes, yes, yes. Buy sell agreements. Anybody want to elaborate on that for us?
It just basically makes it basically allows, let's say, for example, I mean, a good example would be, let's say, a parent has a business and wants to sell it to they want to sell it or they want to keep it in their family, but the kids they don't necessarily have the funds to buy out their parents. So the parent could have an insurance policy that grows cash value year after year. So now they can tap into that to cash out the parents. Now they can live their best life in retirement. And when the parents pass away, now they have also a death benefit that goes back into the business. So it allows funding to be able to, for the owners or shareholders, whoever can be cashed out while there's funds that protects the company at the same time.
Love it, love it, love it. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Our next question is, I control and protect wealth distribution. I control and protect wealth distribution. Who am I?
What's a trust?
Yes. What is a trust? Now go ahead. You want to elaborate on that for us? How does that work?
Well, it pretty much helps manage assets. So like my two older kids are of age that they could get all the funds, but I would have a trust to determine how I would want that money distributed to them, to help avoid taxes, to be able to manage the money for them, and to make sure that they get it. They will have an executor to control it till they are of age to be able to manage their finances.
Could have not have said it better.
I love it. I love it. Yeah, we got like 3 more and we out of here. So
Yes.
I make sure that your family keeps the home.
Mortgage protection.
Yes. Mortgage protection. Do you elaborate?
Well, what I love about mortgage protection is that you can use an IUL for it, a UL for it, a term life for it. You can use any one of these products that we just spoke about in order to keep the home. So if something happened to the major breadwinner and the rest of the family wouldn't be able to upkeep and maintain the home, when the insured passes away, they get a full lump sum. But again, if you get the IUL as well, then not only do they get the death benefit, they also get whatever's left in the cash value. So again, always know your whys when you're getting your products.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else you want to share or expand on that, Easy?
No, Vanessa did a great job right there. Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, she been killing it all day. All right, y'all. So this is our final question. Hold on. That was our final question, actually. Mortgage protection, because that was our last part. It was our last segment for this. So I hope, guys, that this little fun game show type of style helped to educate you a bit and give you some information that you could use to have some clarity as to what life insurance does, because it's so important that you guys know that it's not just about when you die. There's so much more to the benefits while you're still breathing. And because many of you guys lack the education and nobody taught us this growing up in school, many of us are not doing what we could be doing because we lack awareness of what the possibility is of what we could be doing. You get what I mean? What could be done. So I just wanted to share with you guys to get with me, or get with if anybody on this screen was talking right to you and you feel like you want to build with that person and learn more information from that person, you can reach out to that person by typing their name on Facebook and going straight to Messenger. In fact, when we're done, all of them are going to leave a comment on this Facebook Live so that you'll be able to find them easy. Okay. Or you could just DM me and I will assist you and we will take you further. Okay. So guys, tonight, this was fun, but it's a game, but it's real life. Okay. And every family is going to face that moment. Will you leave your family confused, or are you going to leave your family a blueprint? That's the purpose of me doing this, so that you can have awareness. All right. So if you're serious and you really about that building that generational wealth thing, I want you to go ahead and put in the comments wealth strategy. Just put, as a matter of fact, put one word. Just put strategy. Put strategy in the comments. Put strategy in the comments. That way, guess what? I know that you heard what I said. I know you was listening, and I know that you ready to actually go ahead and take it serious so that you can have a strategy in place for you and yours. All right? And so that's it, guys. I don't think if anybody else has any additional closing remarks from the team, you guys could go ahead and give them. Marvin was supposed to do our closeout, but I don't see Mr. Miller. I think he had to go too. So it's
I
fine.
do want to say something,
But
Ms.
does anyone else
Diamond.
want to? Yes, go ahead, baby.
So I would love to say that not every strategy is for everyone. So in order for you, the listener, to find out what's the best strategy for you, hit one of us up to do what we call an expert financial analysis. That's all I got to say.
That's right. I love that, and that's definitely that was my next line. But thank you, thank you for closing it. That was my
I
next
got
line.
you.
We definitely want to offer you guys the opportunity to get an expert financial
Thank you.
analysis.
I had a great time. We have to do this
Did you?
again.
So yeah,
Yes.
we will
We
definitely
do
do it
have to do
again
this again.
without all of the goofiness of we had some goofy people in here today.
Well, see,
Messing
when
up
you're
my
learning about
life. It's all right.
education can also be fun. Okay,
Yes.
it doesn't have to
It's
be
supposed to
boring.
be. That's
Okay,
what I wanted, you
we
know?
want to internalize it. We want to receive it, right? So let's make it
Yes.
fun because at the end of the day, although we are all professionals, we're humans too.
We
Hmm.
We do the
humans,
same
right?
thing in the morning. We brush our teeth. We all brush our teeth in the morning, right? So,
I agree. I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so. You might not
at
have
least
them
I
too
hope we all
long.
brush our teeth in the morning.
I hope so. That's all I can say. So, guys, that's it, man. I'm actually going to wrap this up by saying, guys, just hit us up. Say I was on the live. And say, I'm ready to build my wealth plan. Inbox us or whatever. Just let us know you was here and that you're ready. And it does not cost you anything for us to do the expert financial analysis for you. However, you must have an appointment in order to have the financial analysis done for you. So you have to reach out to one of us in order for that to be done for you. All right. So I leave to say with saying, because at the end of the day, guys, your family won't live off of what you made. They're going to live off of what you structure. And that is the end of our Legacy Jeopardy session for today. We will be back with some more. We're going to do this again. We're definitely going to do it. Come on, y'all.
This is where we do the fade out.
Yeah. Just
Da,
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 da, da,
da.
da, da.
thank you, thank
Somebody
you, thank
said that was a
you.
bar. Thank you.
Good night.
All right. Good night. Good
Good
night.
night, guys. Thank y'all. If y'all have any questions, please put in
Hello.
the comments.
I do have a quick
We'll
question. I'll
come
put it
back
in the comment.
and answer.
I wanted to know if
We will
this was
come
being
back and
recorded.
answer. I'm sorry.
Was it
It
being
should have
recorded?
been. I believe so. Yes, I believe
Okay.
so. I think so. I'm not going to say 100% yes, but I think so. If not, don't worry about it. We can get it back. I mean,
All
we're
right.
going to do it again anyway. So it's fine. All right.
All
All
right.
right,
Good
guys.
night.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and being with us tonight. We appreciate you. We love you. Stay tuned because guess what? The Titan Force chosen millionaires are coming to take over a city near you. Mine's up. Deuces. We out of here.